Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna change the battery on this Honda Accord. And if you guys come to your car and your battery don't want to, your car don't want to start because your battery dead, so how you're gonna get in the car is by just open the door with the key, just like that. You come in your car, you try to crank it. That's what come on, the light come on, they pale and it do nothing, they just flashes. Okay, you want to reach down here where you see this symbol. This is to open your hood. Once you open your hood, from there you want to come around here and get the other for your hood, the other latch for your hood. You also want to take this and put it over here. Let's go right here. So right where you see the hole, that's where it goes. And also for this, guys, I'm gonna show you how to jump start your car, because this one is dead. This the battery you use. I think it's a 51 series battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get one to install and also crank the car up. So this is how you're gonna jump your car. Your negative cable will be over here, your positive cable will be over here. And how you know that is because minus. And how you know that is because the minus sign is right here and the positive sign is right here. So that's how you're gonna know positive and negative. And red normally stands for positive and black always for negative. I don't know why, but that's what they do. All right, so it is the universal color code. So you want to put the black on, and also you want to put this one on right here. And you want to go ahead and press this so this light up. Press that. Sometimes you do that and the jumper don't want to work, you just disconnect one, start the whole process over, and then you will just, once that light is green, that's mean you're ready. So you just go ahead and install that, and then you can go crank the car up. So if you guys are interested in a jumper like this, that's what it is. All the numbers you need, the serial number and all, and you guys can go to Harbor Freight to get this. If I can find this online, I will also put it online, put a link in the description for you guys. But otherwise, from that, it's Harbor Freight. Go ahead and crank the car up. Where I put the key? Where is the key? Okay, I got the key right here. Alright, car cranked up, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the shop. Alright, so it's a lot of wind. Hope you guys can hear me fine. Go ahead and remove the jumper cable. And you can start from removing your negative cable, because they have less chance to sparks. So you just want to shake it. This stuck a little bit, but I'm shaking it and also twisting it and pulling up at the same time. Then that's gonna come off. You want to do the same thing for the positive cable. That's gonna come off. You want to remove this the battery holder. You have an arrow right here to show that this goes to the front. What you can do is screw it out enough where you can see it unhook from down here, like that, and this unhook from underneath the bottom, like that. So once that's done, there's a cover on the battery. Remove it. Now you can take out the battery. And as you can see, the name right here, 51R, that's the group, and that's the size of the battery. Alright, so it's very windy. Hope you guys can hear me still. Alright, so guys, it's very windy, and also the compressor is making noise, but I hope you can hear me fine. And put the positive cable over this side and the negative cable on this side. So let's do it. So once that is in, go ahead and put on your battery cover the same way you take it out. So the open side goes to the back towards the engine. No, the open side goes to the front. The closed side goes to the back towards the engine. And the next step we're gonna get is our hook. And like I said, it have an arrow right here, so you just go ahead and put that hook on, put the arrow to the front, hook it in the back, and hook it under the front. You want to get your 10mm. Link will be in the description for the tools I use. It might be a little tricky, but all you can do is just hold the hook in place and screw it down. Once you do it like that, the battery will stay in place. Go ahead, put on your positive cable first. You can go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. And then we're gonna put on our negative cable also. And go ahead and tighten it up. And now we're gonna go ahead and go to the car in a straight video, because a lot of people keep on telling me, hey, the check engine light come on, or the car doesn't start, or you have to reprogram the computer and all that, which is not true. See, I turn the ignition on, wait a few seconds, the car crank right up. Only light is on is the tire light right there, as you guys can see, and that's because one of the tire is low, and I will solve that problem also. So as you can see, the car is running, guys. RPM is not at 0. I can turn it off, I can turn it on. The only problems you're gonna run into is your radio preset and also your time. So I'm gonna go ahead and press settings, and you're gonna see adjust clock right there. Go ahead and press that, and we're gonna check the time, and the time is 12 p.m. So we're gonna turn it to 12. So if you're at AM, as you see, it's at AM right now. Get the flash off. As you see, it's at AM right now. So if you keep on going, it's going to switch from AM to PM, and now we just need PM. So we are 12 PM, and we're going to press enter, and it's going to go to the minute side, and then we're going to turn the minute all the way up to 57. It doesn't matter which way you start, it will start all over. So that is turned up to 57. I should put it to 58 because it probably will be 58 by now. And it is 58. So press enter. And that is it, guys. The time is set. We can press radio. The radio will work. You don't have to go there. We can just press radio. So that's it, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, help me grow. And also, one more thing before you leave, let's put some battery protector on the car. It helps to reduce the corrosion of the battery. It's not a must-have, but it's good to have. Alright, so this is the battery protector. You shake it up, spray it on. Do the same thing for this side. And that's it, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.